you would be driving a car in a desert and you try to switch on radio. There's nothing on, there are just noises, some fragments of music. And suddenly you switch it on the right station. And there's a beautiful music, you know, music that you really enjoy. And you drive your car through the desert and you feel great because this is the music. And this is what happens when we create this unity with other people. This is what happens when we are in tune with others and we get these impulses from them. Yeah, this is the beauty. We don't do it with everybody, you know. Sometimes you hear just noises.
Yeah.
So this is not the station to listen.
That's a good point. That's a good point. Change the channel. Okay.
And here is another interesting thing. What we say is not always what we think or feel. Most people, actually, when they talk, because they even sometimes want to be friendly, or they want to just not hurt somebody. Some people want to just be friendly, not hurt somebody, and because of that, they don't say what they actually feel or think. When I was small, when I was 10 years old, I got my first computer. It was like a huge, big box where the screen was black and white, and actually it was like yellow and black at that time, very old screen.
Yeah.
And it didn't even have an operating system.
Okay.
You had just put it in disk and do something with it and be able to program in a very simple language. That's the first computer that I had. It was a closed system. It couldn't go on the internet. It was just an individual closed system. It couldn't communicate. And then the internet, the World Wide Web, was invented, and computers become like super machines, super fast machines that could go online. And suddenly a whole new world of possibilities opened up. And we could get all this information. All this information was just at our fingertips, whenever we want, whatever we want. And it's now time for humanity to go online too. Until now, we invented technology, but we're more separated than ever before. If humanity goes online, they can get so much more information about how to be together, how to do good, how to prevent wars, how to create more peace, how to have less conflict. And that's why we're making this movie, to make a difference in the world, and also so people can discover how to make an impact with their lives.
I do think the sentiment, the underlying theme behind what you're saying is the fact that we do not connect, and we have the tools to, and a lot of us need to do more self-work than we think we need to do. And I think that once we do that, we definitely will have a better world. And I think too many people go around being cynical about the idea of change in the world, but we forget that in our own backyard, we have many agents of change. And if we don't activate these agents of change to go out into the field, we're missing out.